Hello, for the students that are at home right now on pause. This video is just to get you understanding what we're doing in class while you are missing. This will be the January 12th lesson for periods 1, 3, and 7. And this will be the January 13th lesson for periods 2 and 8. So it's going to be the same lesson for both days. So you can see here that there are 4 links here. And the first one, if you click on this, it'll force you to make a copy. And this will be the warm-up. And what you'll do here is the TRNE warm-up. You'll answer these 3 questions here on the front. You notice it's a half sheet, but you only have to do the top half or the bottom half because it's a half sheet for printing purposes. So that'll be the first activity that you'll do is that TRNE warm-up. And you can answer those questions to the best of your ability. And then the crash course video is the second link. So that'll take you to a YouTube video that you can watch on your own. You can play the video, it's 8.5 minutes long. And while you're watching the video, if you would like to do the second half of that warm-up sheet, you can kind of jot down any notes. If you want to use a split screen or if you want to open the video on your phone and do this on your computer, you can do that as well. And that'll be kind of the second half of the warm-up or the kind of the introduction of the lesson. So that's the second thing that we're going to do. The third thing we're going to do is the branches of government sort notes. So you'll click here, it'll take you to this Google drawing, and you'll see here that the directions are at the top. You'll take these 3 green boxes and you'll match them with and drag and drop them over here in this black space next to the correct answer. And then for each of these purple and pink and orange and other like kind of dark purple, there's going to be one that goes for each of these colors in each section. And at the end of this video, you will see that there is an answer key. Okay, so you can pause the video at any time that you need to. All right. And then during class, what you'll do is you'll go back to Schoology and go into the Unit 4 assignments here, and you'll go into the second document here, the Constitution. Well, first of all, finish your vocab if you haven't. You can work on that. But your Constitution DBQ background essay questions. And we'll open this document here. And this document is what we started last class. If you were out, we did the hook exercise on slides 3 and 4. We read the background essay on slides 6 and 7. So what you could do today on Wednesday or Thursday's class, the 12th and 13th, is you can answer these background essay questions if you would like. And you can use the background essay to get the answers. These are all directly from here. For the vocab, if you need to use any sources to kind of look these up and put them in your own words, you can do that as well. So the background. So you should be through slide 9 by the time you're done with class on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay. All right. And then the last thing we're going to do, the last 5 to 7 minutes of class. Escape from here. The last thing we're going to do is we are going to do this exit ticket here. And it's called Separation of Powers Exit Ticket. You can find the link if you go back to Unit 4 and back to the January 12th or 13th materials. It's the bottom one, Separation of Powers. And it's got bowling ball at the top. And it's only got 5 questions here. Okay, so that's it. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then, if you are done with that, the next thing we'll do is you can pause the video now if you'd like. And then I will post the answer key to the notes. Okay, so pause the video if you're not there yet. And this is the answer key to the notes, so you can check your answers. The 3 questions at the top, and then this is the information for the 3 branches. You can pause this at any time. And again, this is the lesson for the 12th and 13th. If you have not finished your vocabulary, you should be finishing that today as well because that is due at 11:59 on Thursday the 13th. Unit 4 vocabulary, that's the last grade of this quarter. All the grades for the project will be in the 3rd quarter.